Hello, let's ask Nmat tips from my med friends. Let's go.
Hi po, ano po Nmat tip nyo? I suggest you annotate your monitor with with whiteboard marker sa part 1. Ano po yung nasa part 1? Visual activity. Alam ko sa part mo. Hi po, ano po Nmat tip nyo?
My tip is to answer as much practice tests or questionnaires as much as you can before the test.
Hello po, what's your Nmat tip?
Ang Nmat tip ko is to use the flag feature wisely. Skip the questions that you find hard, tapos balikan mo na lang after kapag meron ka pang konting time. Kasi mauubos yung time mo if you get stuck sa questions na hindi mo kaya sagutan. Yun lang.
Hi po, what's your Nmat tip?
As much as possible the day before the Nmat, huwag ka na mag-aral. So you have to rest. So you have to rest your mind para fresh yung pagsagot mo.
Hi po, what's your Nmat tip?
Practice your testmanship well para hindi ka magtagal sa isang question at di ka agad ma-burnout. Yun lang.
Hi po, what's your Nmat tip? My Nmat tip is maging Korean cheerleader. The joke, manage your time well. And kaya mo yan. Enroll in B-Witz!
That's right, the last tip would be to enroll in B-Witz review and tutorial services where you will be equipped with the necessary must-knows for every subject in the Nmat, as well as helpful testmanship skills and techniques that will surely be of help during the test. You can visit their Facebook page to view testimonies from successful Nmat takers like me, and don't doubt, enroll now and slay the Nmat future doctors.